We will be featuring both the Emirates departure and the Qatar departure within the next 15 minutes. We will also feature Emirates 414 coming in from Dubai. The A380 should be here in about 15 minutes. It's going to be likely the real deal, the hour of power. And so we are absolutely excited about that. Emily Sidoti, Captain Emily Sidoti, the first female Australian captain of an A380 flying for Emirates, is now, well, where is she? Well, she's now on screen, so there we go. So hello there, Emily. This is magic. This is brilliant. And speaking with Emily earlier, she's let me know that she's actually in command of this takeoff tonight. So she will be hands-on the controls, and so she won't be featuring on the comms. It's the latest intel that I have it as. So the 5 Charlie Lima Emirates 413 featuring our very own friend of the channel, Captain Emily Sidoti.
So rolling up 4 ground 126, station 5, good day. Up 4 ground 125. Jet 530, the wind 230 degrees at 8 knots, runway 16 right, cleared to land.
Wow, what a sight. Should have reminded Emily to put the wing lights on. That loses some points. We'll have to remind her about that. Elizabeth is in the house. Eddie Pekotic is here. Hello there, guys. Geez, I know it's a bit grainy, but look, there it is.
Correct, 182, good evening, Sydney Chat. Correct, 182, process, no problem.
Away from Emily in the cockpit. Yeah, that is brilliant. That is brilliant. You. That is absolutely perler. Well done. And a special hello there to Captain Emily and crew. Captain Emily Sidoti and crew on the controls tonight. as she commands
240 degrees at 5 knots. Runway 16 right,
the biggest commercial aircraft. Hailing from the northern beaches here in Sydney as one of our own. What an amazing achievement. Wow, that was beautiful. Just waiting for the Emirates now to call up at Sydney Tower.
Emirates 5 Charlie Lima, Sydney Tower, are you ready for departure?
5 Charlie Lima, over 3 things, we should be ready in less than 30 seconds.
Roger. Press 182, next left, Bravo 10, then left again onto Bravo. G'day.
Bravo 10 Bravo, thanks Rex, all fine with 182.
Rex 182.
Emirates 5 Charlie Lima, I don't mind doing a shout out to Sydney Squad and all the viewers watching live at Sydney Airport tonight on behalf of all the crew on EK413.
Emirates 5 Charlie Lima, I'm sure they appreciate it.
Wow. Emily, you cheeky devil. There we go. That has got to be one of the one of the most brilliant shout-outs there from the captain of the Emirates 413, Emily Sidoti. A very, very kind message to all of the viewers here at SydSquad. And on behalf of all of us here at SydSquad, thank you very much. And have yourself a wonderful and safe journey home to your second home in Dubai. And we look forward to catching you up on your return when you're back down under here at Sydney Airport. So a wonderful, wonderful shout out there from Captain Emily Sidoti, who's in command of the A380 that is featuring on screen right now. And we wish her and her crew a wonderful flight. And well received there by the Air Services Air Traffic Control Tower as well, who have also played their part in wonderful shout-outs here on the show, which is just fantastic and doesn't get better than that. You want entertainment, you tune into SydSquad Live. We've got you covered.
Sorry, just let me know when you are ready for departure.
Oh, yeah.
5 Charlie Lima, sorry about that, thank you.
So Emirates 5 Charlie Lima, short delay there at Alpha 1. They'll be out really, really soon. And wow, how exciting is that?
Emirates 5 Charlie Lima, line up runway 16 right.
Line up runway 16 right, Emirates 5 Charlie Lima.
There we go. Emirates 5 Charlie Lima now to line up.
435.62. G'day,
runway 16 right. And,
Emirates 5 Charlie Lima, the wind is 220 degrees at 5 knots. Runway 16 right, cleared for takeoff.
Runway 16 right, cleared for takeoff. Emirates 5 Charlie Lima.
Hey, guess what? Guess what, ladies and gentlemen? I think she's turned on the wing lights as well. She knows what's going on here. Ladies and gentlemen, get those emojis there in the chat. Let's paint the chat with those A380 emotes. Make it a good one, because here we go.
Emirates 5 Charlie Lima, contact departures. Have a great flight.
Order departure, Emirates 5 Charlie Lima, thank you, have a good night, bye-bye.
Thanks for having us.
Oh, wow. And Emily just signing off there with thanks a lot, team. Thanks for having us. Wow, how about it? We are absolutely gobsmacked. That was so special for us to receive such a kind message there from Captain Emily Sidoti, and wow, it's wonderful, wonderful. She's a wonderful friend of the channel and loves to keep in touch, and so we will absolutely be so happy to feature her again on the SydSquad live show. And in fact, Emily has also hinted at perhaps wanting to come and say hello to the SydSquad team. So, you know what? You never know. You never know. An upcoming show, we may even be able to bring her to the behind the scenes. And when we have some more information on that, we will keep you posted. So there you go, ladies and gentlemen. Captain Emily Sidoti. What a legend.